guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. I have a full day of cleaning. I need to dust, I need to mop, I need to vacuum, I need to clean the bathrooms. I actually need to clean one of the bathrooms because part of my kids' new allowance chore system, they have to clean their bathroom. So they did their bathroom today, but I need to clean their shower and tub, and I need to clean my full bathroom. I need to do laundry. I already stripped the beds and switched over all the sheets. And I need to clean like the tables and the chairs, like wipe them all down. I need to clean the appliances. But the appliances part of our oldest son's chore chart. But I'm looking at the appliances right now and they are super streaky and kind of need to be redone. So he tried, but I'm just gonna redo those. I need to clean out the microwave, like just those kind of deeper clean kind of things. So I figured I would take you along with me because who doesn't love a good motivating clean with me video? So, hi Austin.
Am I supposed to?
Are you what?
Am I supposed to vacuum?
Are you what?
Am I supposed to vacuum?
Are you opposed to or supposed to?
Supposed.
Okay, yes.
Am I supposed to do Lane's pig bug?
No.
Okay, because I was starting.
Okay, yep, no, don't do a rug. They're cleaning their rooms. It is terrible lighting. Okay, sorry. They're cleaning their rooms and getting that stuff taken care of. So I have some, what else was I gonna say? I have some like paperwork and stuff over here on this table. It is actually Macy. Macy. It is Macy's birthday today. She is 8 years old, huh? Huh? You an old girl? Are you an old girl? Huh? Macy, sit. She does not like the vacuum. Yeah, well, you are scaring her with the vacuum. All right, so I need to get the laundry switched over, so I'm gonna do that and then get started on everything else. So make sure you guys are subscribed and let's get started.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside again.
So I'm just getting the laundry switched over here. I had already washed our sheets and those are in the dryer, and I had already put in a load of laundry as well, so I'm just getting that changed over. And I figured I would let you guys know I do use the organic cotton, they're like the dryer balls, and I put some lavender essential oil on those. So I figured you guys would be like, what is she doing with these weird things? So I do use those. I love them and they make the laundry smell amazing, and they really help with cutting down dry time and making your clothes just smell amazing because you have the essential oils in there. So now I am just going to get our bathroom clean. I am going to just clean the toilet, the sink, the shower, and all of that. I also did the kids' tub and shower as well, but I figured you didn't need to see me cleaning the bathrooms twice.
It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful, yeah. about time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay.
So I was about to start doing the dishes, and then we had a little dance party in the kitchen. The kids all of us all have songs that we are obsessed with and we listen to. My daughter's favorite song is Thank You Lord by Chris Tomlin, and Austin's favorite song is My House by Flo Rida, and my favorite song is One Too Many by Luke Combs. So we listen to those three songs like on repeat and always break out in a dance party anytime those songs come on.
Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La la la. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la.
So now I'm just getting everything vacuumed and getting the floors clean. I put in 1 or 2 cups of like hot water that I just warm up in the microwave for a few minutes, and then I put really hot, the hottest water from my sink into this bucket, and then I used a cap full of thieves cleaner from Young Living. It's my favorite. It smells so good. That's what I use on all of my floors and what I use like to clean the counters and all of that. So we are going to just get everything mopped, and I'm obsessed with this mop. I know, like I've said before, I'm late to the game on this mop, but I love it. I think it works really well. I think it's really well made. Your floors don't get all like wet and gross, and like some mops you feel like you're just swooshing around like dirtiness. So I don't feel like that at all with this mop. It works really well and really gets like the sides of things as well. So I highly recommend it if you are looking for a new mop. I will make sure it's linked in the description box below. So now it is time to do laundry, and the longest part of folding laundry for me is the kids and my husband. He doesn't believe that he does this, but he does. Everything is taken off inside out. So when it goes to the wash, everything just gets thrown in there, and then I have to put everything the right side out before I fold it and then put it away. It drives me crazy. But I'm sure most children do the same thing, but I'm sure many of you are probably on the same with the husbands as well. I think it's funny because he's like, no, I don't do that. I'm like, well, the laundry basket and the laundry folder, which is myself, disagrees with you. So I am going to get all of that done, and then my checklist is complete.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought.
All right, now that the laundry is done, my house is clean, and everything is taken care of. Now I'm on to a project that I will be working on for the next few days. I am redoing my front hall pantry. So getting new shelves and new containers and all of that fun stuff. So I'm gonna start that project tonight. Now I'm going to be cutting the wood and all of that with my husband's supervision, of course, but I was saying to him that I wanted to do the whole project like start to finish. So he's gonna teach me how to cut the wood and all of that stuff. I've never used those like saws or anything like that. So I took shop in like high school, but I'm lucky I have all of my fingers left after taking that class. But that is my project for the next few days. So you guys will probably see that in a week or so when that is complete. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.